Welcome to this case study on integrating Facebook Conversions API with a Shopify e-commerce setup. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the challenge, the technical approach, and the measurable results. This shows Google Tag Manager flowing into Shopify, which hints at the core of this project. Precise server and browser-side tracking for better marketing decisions. This presentation is organized to first introduce who I am and why accurate measurement matters, then outline the client's requirements, the solution we implemented, the GTM setups on both browser and server sides, event validation in Facebook Events Manager, the impact we achieved, a client testimonial, and finally, how you can get started with growth. I'm a performance marketer and tracking specialist focused on analytics integrations and reliable conversion measurement, with hands-on experience across platforms like Shopify, WordPress, GTM, GA4, and Metapixel. My role is to translate business goals into clean tracking setups so teams can trust their data and optimize campaigns confidently. Setting clear goals is the first step to business success, and the chart shown here helps illustrate that point. You can see a noticeable peak in activity around the midpoint, suggesting a campaign or product moment that drove higher revenue. Accurate tracking turns those spikes and dips into actionable insights so you know what to repeat and where to improve. Implementing Google Tag Manager unlocked faster experimentation, cleaner data collection, and easier measurement across the customer journey. The visual with 4 icons represents planning, go-to-market readiness, customer targeting, and positioning. The client's request was captured in an email screenshot and included a clear list of priorities. Server-side Facebook CAPI to avoid iOS restrictions, full GA4 e-commerce event tracking, and Microsoft Clarity for heat maps and session recordings. They also asked for a cost estimate and timeline, so our solution needed to be accurate, privacy-aware, and delivery-focused. To meet those needs, we implemented a robust data layer within Shopify to capture detailed user interactions, created centralized accounts for GTM, GA4, and Metapixel, configured GA4 for full funnel analytics, set up Facebook Pixel with advanced conversion tracking, and deployed server-side tagging via stape.io to improve accuracy and privacy compliance. The browser-side GTM screenshot shows a structured tag setup where Facebook Pixel and GA4 event tags fire for key actions like view content, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase, while Microsoft Clarity captures behavioral data. This front-end configuration ensures immediate event capture and helps validate user flows in real time. On the server-side GTM setup, we deployed a dedicated tagging server with 2 primary tags, a Facebook Conversions API tag and a GA4 server-side tag, both triggered by e-commerce events. This arrangement reduces client-side data loss, centralizes event forwarding, and helps preserve event fidelity, even with browser restrictions. The Facebook Events Manager screenshot highlights several tracked events and their counts, with page view leading and purchase events fewer but present. The event match quality indicators show how well customer data aligns for attribution. Together, these signals confirm that server-side integration is improving event delivery and match rates. The impact was clear. Server-side Facebook CAPI was enabled reliably, giving full funnel visibility from product views to purchases and elevating event match quality for better attribution. We reduced pixel data loss, improved conversion reporting for remarketing and optimization, and used stape.io to enhance data accuracy while maintaining privacy compliance. A client testimonial screenshot captured a positive review, praising the smooth GTM and Facebook CAPI integration, accurate data, and actionable insights for marketing decisions. The client expressed confidence in the setup and recommended the solution for anyone needing advanced tracking, which reinforces the practical value of the work. If you're ready to start a data-driven growth journey, now is a great time to collaborate and elevate your analytics so you can drive better marketing decisions. Reach out by email or message to discuss your tracking needs and how we can set up a reliable measurement foundation for your e-commerce business. Thank you for watching this case study.